What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is something very exciting for all the Samsung Galaxy fans out there. Samsung is introducing a brand new feature with respect to widgets. And this is expected to be called as My Custom Widget on the One UI 9.5. Yes, we would be able to create our own widgets right on One UI and place it on the home screen. Now, if you remember, Google introduced this feature called Create My Widget on Pixel phones, and that was introduced on Android 17, and Samsung is expected to be working on that feature right now, which we are able to see in the initial builds of One UI 9.5. Now, this page here, what you're seeing is the Pixel phones page where let me just play this video for you guys. When you press and hold on the home screen, you will see that pop up where you can see this widget option. The moment you tap on that widget, you will see an option here. You can see on the top, we've got search widgets and we have got create widgets. And when you tap on create widget, you'll be able to create your own widget. As you can see, this is what you're going to see. You've got a combo widget, weather alerts widget, my world clock widget, daily brief, important dates, markets, etc. And at the bottom, you've got describe your widget option. As far as I know, we cannot describe complicated widgets. They should be very simple, basic widgets which can be described. Maybe simple clock or weather widgets. And then you just go ahead and describe it. You can see on this demo, it says countdown to my first marathon. Let me just play this again. You can see it is building your widget here. Once it's ready, the widget will show up right here and you can edit it further and place it on the home screen. This is how it works on the Pixel phones, and currently this is available I think on the latest Pixel 11 series and 10 series maybe, but as of now it is not available on the older Pixel phones, and the same feature is expected to come on One UI 8.5. And you can see this screenshot shared by Fahad Ali Javed, who managed to install the One UI 9.5 build, the initial build. This particular widget here says My Custom Widget. Make your own widget. Here it says you have a plan at 7 p.m. View or shared this plan with your friend. Check plan and share plan. If I'm not wrong, this is a suggestion which we have got. You can just tap on this widget to create our own widget. And I'm pretty sure Samsung is going to execute this feature in a better way compared to Pixel phones. Let's wait and see that, but this is going to be very exciting. We already have tons of widgets from Samsung Galaxy phones. As you can see, when you go and check the widget section, we have got so many widgets available for Samsung applications and they are all fantastic. But creating our own widget based on our requirement is going to be amazing as well. And you can see on this video shared by Mishal Rahman recently, you can create widget for the desktop as well. If you have connected your Pixel phone on the monitor, then on the monitor also you'll be able to create your own widget. And if Samsung gets this on the phone, maybe they will add that on the Samsung Dex mode as well to create our own widget on the desktop. So that is going to be pretty amazing. And there was a recent tweet by Mishal Rahman where he showcased how a tap to quick share would work. These are Pixel phones. The moment you bring a Pixel phone next to another Pixel phone, you will see this beautiful animation and you get this sharing page right over here. So that's a brand new feature that we are going to get on the quick share. And he tweeted that this feature is first launching on the Pixel phones and then Samsung Galaxy phones also would be receiving this feature. So this is basically tap to share using your quick share, which is fantastic. Now, these are some interesting features coming up on the Samsung Galaxy phones. Let's hope Samsung brings these features soon and we get to see One UI 9.5 beta build soon. Now, yes, I agree. A lot of you guys would say that you are not even on One UI 8.5. You're still on One UI 8 or not even on One UI 9. Samsung for some reason is delaying these updates, and I'm not sure whom to blame, but I would say Samsung should work on these update schedules and make it better. By the time we start using One UI 8.5, already One UI 9 beta is available. By the time we get the One UI 9 stable version, already One UI 9.5 stable version and leaks are available. It's good, but all these updates are mixed up and nobody is comfortable to even wait for the updates, because by the time they see the new updates, another brand new update is already circulating on the internet. So that's what has been happening with Samsung. Let's hope Samsung fixes these update schedules soon, and let's hope we get the One UI 9 stable version soon. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. If you love this home screen wallpaper, it's a free wallpaper available on the freemium section on Volverse application. Do go ahead and check it out. This is the one that I'm talking about. And if you go to the premium section, yesterday we added some brilliant wallpapers. Do check them out. The link for the application is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already hit that subscribe button. If you want to stay updated with everything Samsung, then you should subscribe. Give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.